I see it?
No.
Because I know my rights.
You'll see it when your lawyer gets it.
Oh, my lawyer?
Take off your
Don't
belt.
you know my lawyer's already on the phone waiting for me to bond
Take
out?
off your belt.
Or what?
Take off your belt.
Or what? Excuse me?
All
I'm
people
sorry.
are handcuffed.
Call me.
All prisoners are handcuffed.
Well, I'm not a prisoner, so...
There you are.
Punch me again.
Come on, give it.
Kyle! Yeah! Yes!
Don't bite me.
Nina!
Don't bite me.
Nina!
Don't bite me.
Or what?
What did I tell you? Don't bite me.
Or
You
what?
bite me.
Or what?
You're gonna...
Or what? Or what? Victor! Fred! Derek!
Do not bite me.
Johnny! Liza!
Do not bite me. Do you understand?
Nate!
Uh-oh. Don't bite me!
Okay. Well,